Yo, what up everybody? Welcome back to Team Visionaries. This is Will. Behind me there are two G-Wagons. Before I introduce them both, can you guess what years they are? Let's have a quick look. Let's go. Actually, these two cars are all from 2013. Right now, 2013 G-Wagon is around like $50,000, but upgrade to new style was over $100,000 US. Would you like to spend only 3,000 USD? Give your older car a brand new look? What include in our kit? We can see the corner light, big headlight, grille, fender, hood, front bumper, and the build. Everything you can see, basically all upgraded. Actually, in our kit, we also include new style mirror, but the customer still like the old styles. We didn't change it. If you have 3,000 US, would you buy this kit for you, old G-Wagon? For me, definitely I would do. Cause only 3,000, double your car price, give your old car brand new look, super worth it. And most important thing, you can see the fitment of our kits. You see the gap over here, just like brand new car. If you wanna ask me what's the difference if I upgrade to this body kit, is it exactly same as a brand new G-Wagon? My answer is no. There are still a little bit difference. The first difference is this build. The second difference is over here. Okay, that's the two different things between the brand new G-Wagon and the upgraded G-Wagon. But we have a second generation of our body kit, which these two parts are doing better. We don't have this part, and the build looks like more real, but the price is 1,500 more than this kit. So if you have limited budget, this one is good enough for you. But you are a picky guy, you want to so exactly same as the brand new G-Wagon, I strongly suggest you buy our second generation of our body kit. If you want to buy any of our body kit, we have a link in our comment. So go check our website and purchase your body kit, please. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Elevate your drive, define your style. See you next time. Bye bye.